So class 11th student, we have started with the new book. The first chapter we were taking is constitution, why and how. Constitution की ज़रूरत क्यों है, तो constitution क्यों चाहिए. पहला पॉइंट है coordination and assurance. Coordination between different caste, communities and religion. India is the melting pot of civilizations. There are diversity in the population, so all the diversity population should have the coordination between themselves. So it is very important. So there should be coordination, there is brotherhood between the members of the society. Second point is specification of decision making. What decision making should the executive should have, what legislature should do, and what the judiciary role is there. So the role of all the government sectors, all the government agencies is been specified in the constitution. What powers will rest with whom. Third, limitation of the power of the government. Government can be powerlessness. There can be powerlessness in the government. But what constitution does, it limits the power of the government by providing fundamental rights to the citizens. Then aspirations go to the society. What are the aspirations of the society? They should be reflected in the positivity in the constitution, that what should be the role of the constitution in providing food to the people, house to the people, jobs to the people, how to remove this racial discrimination from the society. And this is how Jawaharlal Nehru is just trying to manage the different sections in the Indian society in 1949. Then the fifth point is fundamental identity of the citizens. We are Rajasthani, some are MPs, some are from MP, some are from Northeastern. So there are different things. Different people are there. So it is very important to weave together all the peoples, all the diverse sections of the society into a single nation, that is India. Then from where the authority of this constitution derived? This is how, what is the constitution? How effective is this? Is the constitution just? So these are the three questions that has been asked in the book, and the answers are given. Like mode of promulgation. Indian constitution, one of the most successful constitution. Like South Africa and United States, we are still carrying our constitution from the past 70 years. And the makers of the constitution were basically freedom fighters, and they are having the full public support. So this constitution is balanced one, and it is having a public opinion. Second, substantive provision of the constitution. Substantive provision of the constitution means that no one is privileged and all are having the equality to do whatever they want. Balanced institution designs, it means neither E is important, neither L is important, neither J is important. All the three organs are not powerful as compared to each other. All the organs are having a balance. Then Indian constitution is a living document. With the change in the time in the society, the constitution is reflecting this change through the judicial pronouncements and the constitution amendments. Then how the constitution was made? Indian provinces were divided into two parts. One is your princely state and another is your British India. So the constitution makers were from British India and the princely states.